and gentlemen, let's welcome and give her a round of applause. My anak, Dalthea, Princess Dalthea! Woohoo! Again. Let's go. Come on.
Like that.
Yeah, again. Whoa!
Help me, Mom.
Maybe, that's fine. Okay, one.
Anak, come back.
Because sometimes, anak, it's normal. You have to try and try. Yeah. One more. Try one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, one more time. Don't give up, baby. Yup. Oh, see that? One more time. Ready, go. Oh, almost there. Just careful. That's my phone. My turn. 1, 2, 3, go. Like this, huh? Ay, mommy too. 1, 2, 3, go. You have to do this. Oh, see? Don't do that. Wow, you see that, guys? She did a good job, guys. That's my anak, Dalthea. Woohoo! My princess, Dalthea.
Again.
No more na. Enough na. Ay, gikapoy na ko.
I want to do it. Yes. Oh, what the legs?
You gonna?
Oh. Okay. Your turn. No,
No.
not you.
Okay. It's raining na. Yeah, we're going back inside because it's raining.
I am running.
How can I relax? I feel the rain and I see it already.
Blessings.
Huh?
Blessing.
It's a blessing.
Yeah, the rain is blessing.
How about yesterday? Blessing too?
Oh, that was a downpour.
Come on, my love. I'm watching. Not over there. Only here.
Here are your shoes.
That's my shoes, oy.
Here are your shoes. Here are my shoes.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh.
No. I wear my shoes.
Where is the other one?
There.
Wait, give me a second. Ay, kusog naman ng uwan. Come on. Ang kusog ng uwan. We need to go back inside na, oy.
No.
It's raining, anak ko. And it's
crazy.
It's not good. The rain is not good. It's not good because look at that. It's raining and then
Crazy.
blessing. It's not a blessing. You believe in your daddy.
There's a blessing.
Blessing. Come on, let's go.
I'll
Blessing.
tell
It's
you.
blessing. That's not blessing. It's cold.
This is a blessing.
It's cold, oy.
No, a blessing. No. Don't do your shoes.
Papasok na kami guys sa loob. Kasi ang umulan tapos may araw. So sipon na nga butin nito kaya papasok na kami. Yeah. Lagi ginawa ko, di man ko kasulatan na, let's go back inside na ko. Give me my shoes, be. So, o yan o, may araw, tapos tumataligsik naman na siya. Uy, maulan man siya, maulan ni siya. So, babalik kami sa loob. Come on. Babalik kami sa loob kay, o yan o, may araw o. Tapos, taligsik. This is not a blessing. Blessing ba na? Blessing, sipon, may hatag ani. Sipon. Sipon, baka okay lang kuan sa nawa na po siya. Pero taligsik. But ayoko. Honestly, gusto ko matulog. Anak ko talaga. She's busy. Okay.
Mom, can you help me? I take off our shoes.
No, that's normal.
Can you help me? Oh, stop missing me. Honey, I go party.
Let them see the...
Ah! Mama, I take her. Mama, I'm not. I'll put that her. Wait. No, I put.
The camera, oh, the camera is here.
No. Oh, I kick her. Why you do that? Don't put her hair. And where baby? Where Bobby? Mommy, where I can Bobby? No. Spread like that and look at that. Mommy, right. Mommy. Yes, sweetheart, I will for you. Okay. Look, my shoes. Yeah. Mom, I put her shoes on.
Where's the shoes?
This one.
No, this is too big for her. Look at that. See?
What? Legs? Oh, Mama! What are you doing? Not her legs! It hurts!
I don't know how to do it.
Her mom and her foot. That's her foot. I still made your foot. Stop it! It's scary. Stop it! Stop me. I'm gonna stay you. Mommy, I'm gonna stay you. Okay. I'm gonna stay. Not you. I'm gonna stay Bobby on me.
What anak? You're making vlog, oh.
Never stop. Make me meaner babies.
Oh, go ahead. You're here, oh. I see your Barbie. I see your Barbie. I see them.
Yeah. You're keeping a nice Barbie. Hold on.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome and give her a round of applause, Princess Daltea. Hmm?
I saw her friend.
Yeah, let's welcome and give her a round of applause. Give them a round of applause.
I'm here specials. Mama,
Okay.
baby princess.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome and give them a round of applause. Princess Daltea Barbie. Who is her name? Who is her name?
Princess.
Who is-
I'm not Princess Atia. I'm Princess Atia. Oh, baby, baby.
But I said, that's why I said Barbie. What is her name?
Jamaican.
Huh?
No, a princess.
Princess who?
Elsa.
No, that's Elsa. Ay, that's Anna. Oh, this is Elsa.
And
Barbie.
no.
Anna.
Anna right there and Elsa right there and princess.
Nisha.
No. Baby.
Baby Barbie.
Mommy is there.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome and give them a round of applause, Miss Princess Daltea Barbie Anna Elsa Anna Nasha.
No, and princess. Two princess and
That's three princess.
four
And
princess.
baby princess.
Mom and a princess. Two princess. Same hair.
So guys, ngayon nakikita na natin ang ibang laruan ni Princess Daltea na kung saan ang kanyang mga kalaro ito ngayong araw na to. Kasi siya ay nasa mood maglaro ng kanyang mga doll. Yes, kanyang doll. And kung saan ay kanyang hinubaran, tinanggal niya ang kanilang mga damit. Yes. No, don't do that.
My dada.
Where is mommy?
Mommy right there in my bag.
Yeah. So she have mommy, daddy, and baby. So they're sleeping right there, Yeah.
Mommy.
So ayan, ang kanyang mga kalaro.
Me and Tia.
Where is daddy?
And then kick out.
Kick out.
Daddy, why are you doing that? Daddy. Ninja sport.
I like their boats because their boats. What's that? Yeah, nice boots. I like these boots.
Kick
And look
out.
at Barbie's shoes.
No. We don't.
Yeah, so right there. So nagpa-practice silang mag-split. Yes. And I think I need to practice also to split this way. Magka-split ako. But I don't know how to split, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. But my anak, she's...
So cool. Poop out. Poop. Poop.
Papa, poker face, poker face.
Mom, this one a Barbie is black.
Papa, poker face, poker face.
Don't. I have boots.
Can't read mine, no, he can't read I'm not poker face. Moom. Say. Moom. Say.
No, Mama.
Okay, camera is on. That's on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go.